Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the Karnataka State Board SSLC Mathematics subject, the revised reduced syllabus. Children, in our previous video also we have discussed about the revised reduced syllabus updated version, and today I am going to discuss with you all related to the chapter wise contents, because most of the students wanted us to make a video based on the chapters so that it will be easy for them to understand from which are the chapters, what are the contents, from which page number, what topic is being deleted. They need to know. That is the reason today we are making this video, to make you people to understand what are the topics have got deleted in mathematics. Okay, without wasting much time, let we begin. So I am opening part 1 of your textbook. In that you can just open the chapter. In arithmetic progression there is nothing has been deleted, you can see over here. In triangles chapter you can open page number 25. Open page number 25 quick. After once you open your page number 25, in that you can see here what are the topics are deleted. I am just explaining you here. I will show you exact page number wise so that it will be easy for you to understand. So this is the reduced syllabus of class 10th Karnataka State Board Mathematics. See children, so this is the chapter. I am just going up. I will just show you the chapter name. You can see here in this chapter triangles. Just a minute, I am just opening the chapter. Yeah, so this is the chapter triangles. It comes in page number 25. Once you open this chapter, page number 25, you can just go to the topic. I am just explaining you here. Just go down. You can open theorem number 2.4. It comes in page number 40. It comes in page number 40. Still we have to scroll down. Turn your pages. Open page number 40. Quick. Yeah. Now we have come nearby to the page number 40. You can see here. This is 2.3. And next we have 2.4. Yes, you can see here it's been written over there, theorem number 2.4. Can you see this? Yes, this is the topic. It has got deleted. Okay, this theorem is not there for you to prove. This theorem is not there for you to prove. Are you getting my point? But you need to use this theorem while you are solving the problems. You need to use this theorem concept while you are solving the problems. So this complete part is been deleted. You can see over here, this complete part is been deleted. Okay, after this theorem, you can open the next theorem number 2.5. theorem, these problems are there. Theorem number 2.5. Actually we have gone front. Let me to come back. Before example number 4 it comes. Yes, this is theorem number 2.5. It comes in page number 42. It comes in page number 42. This theorem, it has got deleted. You no need to prove this theorem. You can see, just you can come down. So some part of this theorem is been extended here. You can see. Yes, till here it has got deleted. Till here it has got deleted. And after this After this, you can see here next topic, it's Pythagoras theorem. It comes in page number 52. It comes in page number 52, that is theorem number 2.7. This theorem is there. Can you see this? This is you can just see theorem number 2.8. This theorem is called as Pythagoras theorem. Remember, if they ask you to state and prove Pythagoras theorem, then you have to write this statement: in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. This theorem is there, but converse of this theorem is not there. Theorem 2.8 is there. Okay, this theorem number 2.8 is there, but theorem number 2.9, can you see this? It comes in page number 54. It comes in page number 54. This theorem proof, it has got cancelled, it has got deleted. You no need to prove this theorem, but still, for to be in safer side, I request you to behead the statement. Read the statement, remember the statement of converse of Pythagoras theorem, but you no need to prove this theorem. You no need to prove the theorem, but this theorem based problems you need to study. Theorem based problems you are supposed to study. So it has been deleted till here. Just a minute, it has come down. Yeah, it has got deleted till here. Yes, but these example problems are there. These example problems are there. Are you getting my point? So this is what the topics which are got deleted from the chapter triangles. And next we are going to open the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Can you open the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables? Yes, children, very good. Once you open this chapter pair of linear equations in two variables, I'll just show you. This beginning part is there. This basics is very important. You need to understand this basics in table. Definitely you can expect one question from the table for 1 mark. So, and even graph is there as it is, and after the graph, graphical representation problems. Yeah, this table is very important, as I can show you here for your examination point of view. This table number 3.4 is very important. You should not neglect this. Anyhow, what are the types of questions will come in your final exam, on what basis the questions can be setted, we get back to you about those things in our next video when we are going to have a live class. Children, one important note here before I could show you the next part of this deleted portion. From the next month, February onwards, we are going to start a YouTube live classes every Sundays. Every Sunday we are going to have a class live. You can see me live, so and you can watch me live. Okay, so that every session we are taking a chapter. Around 30 minutes we take for math and around 30 minutes we take for science. Chapter wise we are going to explain you people what are the topics are important for your upcoming final board exam, what are the things you want to study and what are the things you don't want to study, how to prepare for the exam. These all things we are going to give you the hint in that YouTube live classes. If any students are interested, so please let us know, so that because your opinion is very important. If you people are interested, then only we come up with many things to make you people to score a very good marks. That is the reason. Okay, next coming back to page number 75, open page number 75, topic number 3.4.1, substitution method. You can see this substitution method. Yes, so this method to solve the linear equations, simultaneous linear equations by using substitution method, this method has got deleted. Okay, आपको सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड यूज करके प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस व्हाट आर द न्यूमेरिकल्स आर देयर, दिस ऑल टॉपिक्स हैव गॉट डिलीटेड. कैन यू सी दिस? दिस ऑल एग्जांपल्स आर नॉट देयर. दे विल नॉट आस्क यू to solve by using substitution method, but still if you are a scoring student you can use the same question, but you can solve by elimination method. You can try to solve by using elimination method. Okay, but the thing is here substitution method you no need to use to solve the problem. Same question you can take, see children, same question you can take, but try to solve by using elimination method. That's it, I can say you. Got it? It's not compulsory that this question should not be asked, because टू सॉल्व लीनियर इक्वेशन वी हैव वेरियस मेथड्स. ओके, हमारे पास बहुत से मेथड्स हैं एक क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए, लेकिन जिसके अंदर वो एग्जामिनर बता रहे हैं, बोर्ड बता रहे हैं कि आपको सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड यूज करके सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट यू कैन सॉल्व बाय यूजिंग एलिमिनेशन मेथड. गॉट इट? सेम क्वेश्चंस यू कैन ट्राई. Once again I am repeating this, same questions you can use to solve by using elimination method. Okay, because according to your given syllabus these methods have got deleted. I mean substitution method has got deleted, and you can see here exercise 3.3, even this exercise also you no need to study. Once again I am repeating this. Can you see this exercise 3.3? Yes, this exercise you no need to study. Okay, means they won't ask you the question by giving these values to solve by using substitution method. They may ask you same values you can use and solve by elimination method they can ask you. Okay, but you don't want to use substitution method. And after this, okay, this full exercise no need to solve by using substitution method. Okay, elimination method is there. Elimination method is there. Okay, you want to solve by using you have to solve the problems by using elimination method. And next method we have cross multiplication method. This complete method it has got deleted. You no need to solve any problems related to cross multiplication method, and from here till the last page of this chapter this complete parts have got deleted. This complete topics it has got deleted till the last page of this chapter. This all topics have got deleted, children. Okay, from here each and every topic, as you can see here, these all topics it has got deleted till the end of this chapter. These all methods have got deleted, but this paragraph is important. Can you see this? Unique solution infinitely when the conditions, these conditions are important, but numericals, the problems related to these topics it has got deleted. Okay, this is all cross multiplication method. These all methods have got deleted. I mean these numericals, these all numericals it has got deleted till the last page of this chapter. I mean to say even your exercise number 1 minute, I'll just let you know, till 3.6 it has got deleted. These all topics it has got deleted. Okay, no need to study till exercise number 3.6. even you can see this method, equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Even this method it also it has got deleted. Even this method also you no need to study till the last page of this chapter. Till the last page of this chapter, even exercise 3.6 also it has got deleted. You no need to study this part. Any doubts? Are you getting my point? Very good. And children, and next we come back to the chapter in part 1. You can see here in part 1 next chapter is circles. You have to study the full chapter, and here we can see one more chapter is there, areas related to circles. This unit it has got deleted. This unit it has got deleted. You no need to study this unit. Okay, no questions will be asked from this chapter. And after that we have a chapter called as real numbers. We have a chapter real numbers. Even this chapter also it has got deleted. You no need to study anything even from this chapter. So this is the information from part 1. Next we come back to part 2. Open part 2 of mathematics textbook, children. You can see in part 2 we have a chapter, the first chapter of part 2, that is polynomials. Can you see this, children? Yes. Even this full chapter it has got deleted. This chapter is no more. Okay. And next we have a chapter quadratic equation. This full chapter is retained. You want to study the full chapter, but only one method it has got deleted. Children, as you can see here, this method is called as quadratic, open the chapter quadratic equation by completing square method. This comes in page number 25. Can you see this page number 25? Yes. In this chapter, to solve the quadratic equation, we have different methods like factorization method we have, completing square method we have, formula method we have. Okay, by using all the methods we can find the solution, but by using completing square method to solve the problem, it has got deleted. You no need to solve by using completing square method. If you want, you can choose these values and you can try by using any of the method like factorization, if not formula method. But by using completing square method, you no need to solve the problem. Okay, ನೀವೇನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡಿಂದ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ and they can ask you they may ask you to solve this problem by using formula method or factorization method, but they won't ask you to solve the problem by using completing the square method. So this complete method, it has got deleted. This all the things it has got deleted. Can you see this, children? Yes, you can see here example number 7 is there. Can you see? Yes, example number 7 also it has got deleted, and even example number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just a minute. By using completing square method, right? Yeah, example number 7 also it has got deleted, and even example number 8, example number 9, example number 10, 11, 12, 13, not 13, just a minute, till example number 12, till example number no, just a minute, 1 minute, let me to clarify your doubt. Till example number 9, till example number 9 it has got deleted. You no need to study this till example number 9, but same values you can use by using formula method, you can try. Okay, आप ये सेम वैल्यूज लेकर फार्मूला मेथड में सॉल्व कीजिए, लेकिन आपको कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड से यूज करके सॉल्व करने के लिए नहीं पूछा जाएगा. ओके, इवन दिस कंप्लीट एग्जांपल नंबर 8 इज नॉट देयर, एंड देन वी कैन सी हियर आल्सो. कैन यू सी दिस? सॉल्व फाइंड द रूट्स बाय द मेथड ऑफ कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर. लाइक दिस दे वोंट आस्क यू इन द एग्जाम. ओके, so even this example number 9 completely it is not there. Okay, but example number 10, it's completely based on quadratic formula, that is there. Okay, after this we have a topic formula method, that is called as quadratic formula. This is there, example number 10 is there. Okay, from here onwards all the problems are there, but only by using completing square method is not there. And you can see here exercise number 10.3. you can see here exercise number 10.3. just a minute, I'll show you. Exercise number 10.3. yeah, exercise number 10.3. you can see here this first problem, only this first problem it has got deleted, because this method is based on completing the square method. Can you see this? Completing the square. Yes, so this method is not there. Okay, this problem it has got deleted. That's it from this chapter quadratic equation. That's it from this chapter quadratic equation. Introduction to trigonometry is there as it is. Some applications of trigonometry also it is there as it is. Statistics also it is there as it is. You want to study even this chapter fully, and after that we have a chapter called as probability. Can you see this, children? Yes, this chapter it has got deleted, probability. As you can see here, this chapter is no more. You will be not getting any questions based on this chapter probability. And next chapter surface area and volumes, this chapter is written fully. You want to study this chapter completely till the end. I hope you all have got the points, what all the things we have discussed over here. Children, I hope you all have got the things, got the points what all we have discussed over here. And one more important note, if any students want to join our coaching classes for the regular offline coaching, so you can come and meet us, or else you can contact to the given respective contact numbers. We have a limited seats, hurry up. We have 2 branches in Bangalore at present, Tannery Road and Shivaji Nagar. Tannery Road branch, it is near to Mediscope Hospital or near opposite to the Muslim Colony bus stop, and Shivaji Nagar branch, it is near to Shivaji Nagar bus stand or Modi Masjid. Okay, so this is what the branches were here in Bangalore. We conduct the classes from class 6 to class 12 standard, from class 6 to class 10 state ICSE and CBSE syllabus. For PUC we take classes for science, commerce and arts, and we have also running with some certified courses, as you can see here. Still, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Evershine Coaching Groups, do subscribe it and click the bell icon, and also you can follow us through all social different networking websites. Okay, I hope the concept is clear. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask us or by giving in the comment box. If you have liked this video, do not forget to click the like button and share this video to your all friends, so as much as possible let everyone get to know in unit wise what are the topics have got deleted for this academic year SSLC Mathematics 2020-21. Okay, and regarding the live classes, if you are interested YouTube live classes, do comment here, so that it will be a kind of a interest, so that we also will put our efforts to bring back your results. Okay, thank you, keep watching, bye bye.